Today we received another one batch of green beans, and now after more than a week of waiting, finally I want to unpack the parcels and want to take the video what we are gonna get, because it's always sometimes it's a big surprise what we are getting, despite we paying always for vanilla beans, but sometimes might be options. So we'll see what we're gonna get from this. Well, here are these 3 bags with green beans. Totally it should be about 85 kilos. We'll see. We bought it from Sulawesi, South Sulawesi. Brought it here to Western Kalimantan. It took us a bit more than a week. Okay, let's check. At least it's something like some plants or at least not stones or cement, other rubber. We already have experienced this. We receive more. And here is it. Not good. Not really good. Unfortunately, it's very hard to find dried beans in Indonesia. Probably the same problem everywhere is that vanilla grows. People don't want to wait. People prefer to sell some rubbish instead of good things. Yeah, this is the first bag I opened. I don't think another 2 will be much different from this. So it's still green. It's still green. I think I will not 8 months old, fortunately.